Want to bring your Diwali artwork to life? Let's animate it step by step using Adobe Illustrator and After Effects. First, create a few new layers and move each object you plan to animate onto its own separate layer. This keeps your artwork organized and ready for import. As you can see, each layer now represents a separate animation element. Go to Artboards, open Artboard Settings, and in the preset, choose Fit to Artwork Bounds. Save your file, and let's jump into After Effects. Import your file and set Import Kind to Composition and Footage Dimensions to Layer Size. Drag your file to Timeline, then open Scale and adjust it to remove any black edges. Finally, open Position and place your illustration exactly where you want it. Open your composition and pre-compose the particle layers. Open this pre-compose. Expand Position, click the stopwatch and add an expression to create a subtle shake effect. Repeat the same process for all particle layers. Go back to the main composition and select the fire layer. Go to the Effects and Presets, find a Wave Warp, apply this effect. Go to Effect Controls, then set Wave Height to 4, Wave Width to 47, Direction to 0, and Wave Speed to 0.4. Your fire animation is ready. Finally, expand rotation on the desired layer. Set 2 keyframes at the start and end, and adjust the last one to the rotation value you want. Done. Here's the final result. Visit the link in the description to explore more Illustrator and After Effects features.